Hi everyone, my name is Natalia Rodriguez. I am a junior industrial engineering major at the University of Houston.
Hi everyone, I am Taimila Nestoy, a chemical engineer junior, also at the University of Houston.
Hello, my name is Angeles. I am a sophomore industrial engineering major at the University of Houston.
And we are with the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. Today we'll be doing an introduction to coding, and then we'll animate your name, activity on Scratch.
Okay, so to start us off, we're going to talk about what coding is. So coding is telling a computer what to do by giving it commands to which it responds. So coding is written in various languages like Java, JavaScript, C++, Python, and MATLAB. An algorithm is a list of steps that you can follow to finish a task, and a program is an algorithm that has been coded into something that can be run by a machine. So let's give an example about brushing your teeth. Right here you see the steps you use to follow to brush your teeth. So first you would get the toothpaste, you would take the top off the toothpaste, get the toothbrush, and so on. Feel free to pause to take a look at the steps, but all in all these steps in the list is called an algorithm. If the above was written into a robot or a computer, then it would be called a programming.
Here is an example through Java of how this code will look like. Now, do not get intimidated by how complicated this image might look. Basically, if you think about it, everything is done on a computer. And, anything from the games that you play on your smartphone, the messages, this video that you're watching today, all of this and everything is done through a program and code system. And today we are going to be doing a Scratch introduction. Scratch is just basically a common language programming that does not require any previous knowledge of computer syntax. The tools like Scratch, anyone can start programming.
All right, so let's get into the activity. What we want you guys to do is animate your name. So to get started, everyone needs to create an account on Scratch. So I'll go through the steps of how to do that. So go ahead and go to scratch.mit.edu. Here on the down arrow, you want to press on that, and that'll take you to how to create an account. You need to create a username, create a password. Once you've created your account, you can go here on the left tab and press on Create. Once you've pressed on Create, you will go to this page and you can actually start coding. Okay, guys, once you've created your account, you can start creating by pressing this button right here. Okay, today we will be coding the letters for SHEP, S-H-P-E. So you can start by deleting the sprite right there, and then we will choose a backdrop. For today, we will be choosing the galaxy, and we will start coding the letter S. So you can see all the sprites are here, and we can choose here letters and choose the letter S. Okay, and so what we want to do is change the color by every time that we click it. So we will add the code in the events area when this sprite is clicked. Okay. Change the color, then we will add this code right here. Okay, and then every time that you press it, it will change color.
All right, now we're going to choose another sprite. Let's go to the sprites. All right, go to letters, find the letter H. All right, now go to events, and you're going to add when this sprite clicked. Now go ahead and move over to control, and go ahead and add repeat 10. All right, now go over to motion and add turn 18 degrees. All right, now go ahead and click on the H. And you should watch it spin. There you go.
Okay, perfect. So the next letter up will be the letter P. So go to sprites, letters, and pick the letter P. From here, because we're inserting a sound, we're going to go to the top bar where it says sounds, and we're going to pick any of them. In our case, I'm going to go for piano. And we go back to the code. We're going to events. The option when this sprite is clicked, and on the sounds purple area, we're going to do play sound, the piano in this case that we picked, until done. Now let's see the magic.
Okay, so to finish off, we're going to pick the letter E. So again, choose the sprite, go to letters, pick the letter E, and we will make the letter dance. So to start off, go back to the yellow events. When this sprite is clicked, go to the blue motion, move 10 steps, and then to add the play drum, we will go to music, play snare drum for 0.25 beats. Then to get the letter E back to the same position, go back to motion, move 10 steps, but we're going to do a negative 10 steps to have it move back to the left. And then to complete it, go back to the music, play drum, except we're going to do the closed hit hat. And now let's see the magic. All right, so now we have completed the letters S, H, P, E.
Perfect. So now it's your turn.
Animate your name.
And code away.